बच्चों, आज हम ट्राइंगल के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सो व्हाट इज ए ट्राइंगल? So first, the meaning of triangle is a triangle is a two-dimensional shape with three sides, three vertices and three angles. And another information about triangle is the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. The example of triangles, signals, sandwich, cloth hangers, etc. So these are the example of triangle. So actually, so many types of triangle in here. Actually 6 types of triangle, and three is based on side, 3 based on angles. So classification of triangle is 6 types based on side, based on angles. So triangle can be classified according to properties of their side and angles. Based on the sides, triangle of 3 sides. The first one is equilateral triangle. So a triangle having all 3 sides of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is sum of all sides, and area of the equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 multiplied by a square. And example of equilateral triangle is traffic signs. And the next one is second types of triangle based on side, and that is isosceles triangle. So definition of isosceles triangle is a triangle having two sides of equal length and another side is different is called isosceles triangle. So perimeter of isosceles triangle is 2a plus b, and area of the isosceles triangle is b by 2 multiplied by under root a square minus b square by 4. And the example of isosceles triangle is clothes hanger. The next one is third type of triangle based on side, and that is scalene triangle. The definition of scalene triangle is if all the 3 sides of triangle are different length, the triangle is called scalene triangle. Perimeter is sum of all sides, and area of the scalene triangle is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by b multiplied by h, and another formula is Heron's formula. So a is equal to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So where s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2, and the example of scalene triangle is ramps. So these are the information about triangles based on side. So अगली क्लास में हम आगे इसके और जो 3 हैं उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे based on angles.